Hey fam, today we're going to dive into something new and interesting, the difference between two types of artificial intelligence that you interact with every day, even if you didn't know it. We're talking about agentic AI and generative AI. Don't worry if these terms sound complicated. I'll break them down with examples you'll definitely recognize. Let's start with generative AI. Think of it as your creative digital friend that can make new stuff based on what it has learned. You know when you use an AI art app to create amazing pictures, or when you ask ChatGPT to write a story? That's generative AI in action. It's like having a super smart assistant that can create text, images, music, or even videos by learning from millions of examples. It's similar to how you might create a new song remix by combining parts of songs you already know. Now, let's talk about agentic AI, which is quite different. Imagine you're playing your favorite video game, and there's this really smart computer controlled character that makes its own decisions, learns from its experiences, and adapts to how you play. That's agentic AI. It's designed to act independently and make decisions on its own. Another example is the AI that helps you navigate in games like Minecraft or controls the enemies in games like Fortnite. These AIs don't just follow a simple set of rules, they can actually learn and change their behavior based on what's happening. The main difference is that generative AI is all about creating content. It takes what it knows and makes something new. Like when you use a filter on TikTok that transforms your video into an anime style, or when you use an AI writing tool to help with your homework. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is about making decisions and taking actions. Think of it like the difference between an AI that can draw you a picture of a race car, generative, versus an AI that can actually drive a car in a video game, agentic. In your everyday life, you probably use both types without even realizing it. When you're using Snapchat filters that change your appearance, that's generative AI. When you're playing against computer opponents in a sports game that adapt to your playing style, that's agentic AI. Even your phone's personal assistant uses both. It can generate responses to your questions, generative, and also make decisions about when to alert you about important things, agentic. So remember, generative AI creates, like art, text, or music. Agentic AI is for getting things done, like making decisions, solving problems, or controlling game characters. Both types are super important in different ways, and they're making our digital world more exciting and helpful every day. Pretty cool how we can use both to make our lives more interesting and easier, right?